Okay guys, so I got the gas cap lid off so I can kind of get in there better. Because the gas cap lid is kind of thick. So it wouldn't let me get anything in there. So I took that off. And inside the gas tank, it's not looking too well. So I think it might have sucked up some debris. It still does run, but not very well. Let's put that back here. At this point, I can just disconnect that from there and twist it. No, I still haven't sized up this yet. But before I do that, I'm gonna put the lid back on. Now I'm gonna find a little bucket that I can use. Something like this, because I do not know. I kind of want to drain all the gas out of here. So, oh yeah, a big chunk just flew out of that tank. Oh, that smells horrible. Yeah, that smelled horrible in every which way. Gotta flip it up so it's pretty much on its side. I think that's pretty much it. And of course, a whole bunch of chunks even came out of the carb too, I see. So now if we take that and we just kind of set that like that, throw that gas up there, and then gas cap can go back on. Yes, now that is the mount. Right there. That is the mount. Don't run away. Come a little closer here. Let's grab about 10 millimeter. I've done this before. Not quite. It's like it's on there, but it's loose. I think that's perfect though. Any better of a fit? Yep, that's a lot better of a fit. This gas tank should drop once. Once I take out, oh, that's so hard to turn. card bolt for that side. Now I just have this card bolt, and then we're good. No, gas tank bolt. Sorry, guys. Come on, buddy. Come on out. Oh, it's a long bolt. Okay. Long bolt goes over there. Got it. Now, where's it stuck in? Where is that? Is it? Is it right where I think it's stuck? Yep. Knew it. Okay, now I gotta figure out how am I gonna do this here. This is always one of the hardest parts about doing this. Is how do I want to pop this out? Like, I can pop it out like this, but oh fuck, come on, bend up, bend out, come on, do what Papa says. You're supposed to go up there. Oh. This is one thing I hate doing. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna do that. I might have to find a pair of pliers to get that off, actually. Because I cannot get that off. Physically cannot get that off. Yeah, there's still enough gas in the tank to make the primer cry.